Hi friends, I'm Aisha Malik, and today I have got one very fabulous opportunity in front of you. I'll talk about the business. Before that, I'll talk about the company. Let me share the screen. Yes, I'm talking about FMRC technology. People keep asking me what is FMRC technology. So, FMRC technology, Bangalore, India-based one information technology company, and this is world's first IT and software company which is marketing their product through network marketing. So, as they say, and we also strongly believe that information technology plus network marketing can produce outstanding results if you know to harness its awesome power to secure your business success. So, this is all about market of technology, and it's a government approved legal international platform, and they are eligible to conduct their business with loyalty program, referral program. So company website is www.ekmarche.com. You can read about the company and website. These all are technical information, what company is doing and how they are running. Now we will talk about the vision and mission. Yes, company is in the market with very powerful vision and lifetime mission. Yes, of course, this is lifetime project, and here company is running on two simultaneously uh, business platform. One is Epmarche technology and another is Epmarche software. Epmarche technology are uh, making their own product like mobile applications, softwares, and Epmarche software is giving services like they are making websites, portals, and everything you name it, we make it. This is the slogan of the company. So, Epmarche technology is running separate referral program, while Epmarche software referral program is different. I'll explain you both today. So here we are talking about the product which is coming under Epmarche technology billionaire plan, like 500 rupees or $8, 8 USD plan. So there are two mobile application company has built. This is company's intellectual property, and this is first concept in the world where company brought such kind of unique mobile application. One is Secret Guardian. Secret Guardian is a content masking application which mask your content and secure your privacy. And another is Secret Genie. Secret Genie is a call masking application. This is masking your call, unwanted like a number which you don't want to show others. So here you can use Secret Genie to mask your number and name, so that next time the person calls up, you will get the call from those changed number. So you can read about these applications on the website in detail how it works. Now we will talk about Marche Billionaire Plan. Once you are inside the company after paying 500 rupees or 8 USD, and this amount is not for any investment, you are purchasing application. These two applications are coming in $8 or 500 rupees separately. So you can choose one and you can go ahead with the plan. And once you pay the money, you are entitled to get these 10 types of very lucrative income. These are the payment gateways for Indian client: debit card, credit card, online banking, Paytm wallet, API, Bitcoin, Perfect Money, and Coupon. Coupon I'll explain later. Payment gateways for international clients: Bitcoin, Perfect Money, Visa card, Mastercard, and Coupon. So I'll explain you the income one by one. Direct bonus 25% plus 36% in 12 level generation bonus, and these are other incomes. Let me explain you. This is basic plan. This is the main plan, backbone of the company. Once you follow this plan, you will get all the award bonuses. So once you are in the system, and if you introduce someone and you tell them this is very good program, and here if you like product it's okay, if you don't like product, there are huge earnings and opportunities inside the system. So if someone will join you with your referral link directly to you, you are going to get 25%. I will only talk in INR. You can convert it in USD. Why? Because USD is ever changing and rate is not fixed. So you just refer the Google for that. So 25% means 125 INR you are going to get from your direct referral, which is around 1.71 USD the time when this plan has been made. Now everyone who is joining with your link will be your direct level 1, and they will be your team. So level 1, 25%. Now level 1 will introduce level 2 with their link. They will call your level 2, and you are going to get 2% from them. Like this, level 2 will introduce level 3. Again, you are going to get 2%. Level 3 will introduce level 4 and level 4. And at any level, you may have unlimited clients. There is no restriction from the company to maximum or minimum for this particular income. But yes, award, reward, and bonus, you need to have minimum 2 teams. So up to level 12. So 25% plus level 2 to level 12, this is 36%. So total you are going to get 61% directly from this. Even you can earn from one person also. You can introduce one person who is going to make huge team below you. So you may earn unlimited even from one person. But what will happen after level 12? You might think what I am going to get after level 12. So once your level 12 will introduce level 13, you are not getting any percentage. But remember, this is increasing your volume, your business turnover, and all the rewards, awards you are going to get on your business volume. Now, I'll explain you one more income here. Here we only talked about this 61%. So company is advising you, company is not forcing you, there is no condition at all. You can have innumerable direct referral in your level 1, and from each one of them you can get 25% income. But if you follow this 5 into 5 duplication formula, which is proven method in the market and very, very powerful, this is just a suggestion, just an advice. This is not anything which have condition from the company. You might have 3 direct also, you might have 2 direct also. It's up to you. But if you follow this formula, see how beautifully you are earning, and you are going to get such a powerful one more income. So, for example, in your front line direct, you have 5 teams, 5 clients, right? And uh, it means how much business you give to the company. 500 rupees in INR is the product price. So 500 into 5 is 2,500 rupees. You are directly getting 5% to complete this 5. 5% means 125 rupees. Now, if you will ask those 5 to introduce 5, and your level 2 is 25, and here I'll explain you how this income is coming. See, 25% total 5 line, 5 into which is 125 rupees. So 125 into 5 is 625, right? So this is one income coming from your generation, and this is one income which is coming from your mm, following this 5 into 5 duplication formula. So level 2, all 5 have introduced 5 means 25 members. 25 into 500 means 12,500 INR, and 2% here means 10 rupees. So 25 into 10 is 250 is your generation income, and here 12,500, 25 into 500 means 12,500. 625 rupees is the 5% of 12,500 rupees. So it will go on up to level 12. get one income, and this income you are getting up to level 10. Think how much it is up to level 10. 319,4304 USD is alone at level 10, and this is very much possible. Most billionaires in the world came from network marketing, and they have followed this formula of duplication. You just practice it and see the magic in coming 3 to 6 months. Now we have only uh, calculated this income till end. We have added all the level income. So this is 341.61 crore in INR and 471,47308 USD in USD. So here we did not added this 5% of team development bonus. Alone this 12 level, 61% income is coming this much. Anyway, it doesn't look practical if you listen this plan first time, but this is very much achievable, very much possible, and my target is that income only in coming 3 years time. Yes, company don't have any time restriction. You can follow this in either 6 months, 1 year, it's up to you, but there is no maximum time period. So I have comfortably feel that level 7 I will achieve within 6 months or 1 year, and then level 10 I will achieve in second year, and then 10 to 12 within 3 to 5 years. This is my clear cut target and vision about at market. So, what is our suggestion? This is just a suggestion. You follow up to level 7 very, very religiously. You just motivate your team, you conduct Zoom meetings, you talk to them personally, and if at any level someone is lacking one or two or three member, you just support them and see once you touch level 7, no one can stop you to reach at level 10 in coming 1 year after that. So this is how you can crack this plan in with maximum mileage and maximum benefit. So this is basic plan. Now we are talking about awards and rewards. As soon as you and your team, the member you have introduced, the client you have introduced at your front line with your referral link is your team. If you have introduced 10, means you have 10 teams. They all will develop their own respective team, right? So once you and your team up to unlimited depth, your team is up to unlimited depth. There is no restriction in the level also in your team and your business turnover. So once you achieve 100 clients, you are going to get $64 or 5,000 rupees cash reward. Now 100 plus 200. 200 more clients means 300 clients. Again, you are going to get fresh bonus. So here we are accumulating like 100 plus 200, 300, 300 plus 200, 500, 500 plus 200, 700. And here we are getting fresh bonus every time. So this is how it's working up to level 12. Level 12, you are getting huge bonus. If we count this, this is coming around 2.25 crore in INR and uh, 22 million INR for you. So you can refer Google for this calculation. Here we have one condition, not here. In each and every reward, award or bonus, 50-50% generation plan will applicable. And everyone knows that in generation plan, if you have 10 direct teams, one team is working very fast and powerful team. So if they have downloaded 100 alone, they have got 100 clients alone. So here only 50 clients will be counted. Rest 50 has to come from your other teams, the 9 teams or whatever. If 2 teams will do, fine. But from our team, only 50% will be counted. Just remember this. Now, this is monthly business development bonus. Once you do 100,000 downloads or 1 lakh downloads, you are at very very strong point, strong turning point in the company. This is one of the achievement where you are going to unlock three incomes together. One income number one is, as soon as you do 1 lakh downloads, 1 lakh clients under you with your team, you are going to get this amount monthly as a business development bonus, 1 lakh rupees, up to 10 lakh download or 1 million download, then 2 lakh rupees, then 2.5 million download or 25 lakh download, 3 lakh, then 50 lakh, 5 lakh, 1 crore, 10 lakh. But there is one condition. You have to increase 20% business next month to claim this reward. Because this is business development bonus and company is looking at you to increase the business so that company and you both can end up in win-win situation. Now, uh, second income is unlocking at 1 lakh or 100,000 client with you and your team. You are going to get 1% on each download after this, up to 50 lakh or 5 million downloads. Now it has increased to 2%, and then it is up to 10 million or 1 crore downloads. It is 3%. It's a huge amount in small particle. Now, third income is going to unlock at that point of 100,000 downloads for clients. That is special luxury car bonus. You are going to get one luxury car as per your country, and then at 500,000 downloads you are going to get, or 5 lakh downloads you are going to get Endeavor or Fortuner car if you are in India. If you are not in India, it is as per your country, which is the car coming in this range. Then you can read 10 lakh, 25 lakh, 50 lakh extra luxury cars, BMW, Jaguar, and Lexus LX series. Now, special freight and villa bonus. As soon as you reach at 1 million download or 1 million clients with 10 lakh download in Indian account, three-bedroom apartment will be given in a decent locality in your country. Then 25 lakh download, 2.5 million downloads, or clients, you're going to get four-bedroom apartment in a decent locality in your country. Then 5 million download or 50 lakh downloads, you are going to get five-bedroom lavish villa in a posh locality. Then 10 million downloads means 1 crore download. In Indian towns, you are going to get very expensive designer villa, and you will be given the choice of five countries. You can choose any country. Company will take care of documents and everything. So you are going to get very luxury villa at this stage. And when you reach at that stage of 10 million downloads of clients, you are very special to the company. You are in very powerful condition, and here you are entitled to get leadership royalty club income. This is 1% of total profit of the company. Every year you are going to get till your lifetime. So you are shareholder of the company. In future, if company brings their share, IT companies or software companies shares are very expensive, very unique, and they comes under luxury segment. So you can think about it. What will be the position? Cross our finger. Now 5 into 5 duplication team development bonus is the same. I have explained you here this one. So you can read in text here if you have any confusion. Now placement shout out bonus. We have suggested you to duplicate 5 into 5 duplication formula. That was a suggestion. Remember, that was not a condition. And you can refer as maximum as possible in your first level direct. Company don't have any condition. This company is totally flawless and condition free. Even you can make 5 IDs of yours. There is no condition. You can use same email ID and you can make 5 IDs. So company is not stopping you. Company needs your details. That's all. Here, if you have introduced 20 people at level 1, 5 will sit in the front row, then rest will go to the second row to 25, and then third level. Fourth level, when there will be 625 clients, you are going to get one shout out bonus of $50. Then level 5 you are going to get $100. Up to level 12 it is $30,000. Why company kept such kind of arrangement? Company want you to get motivated, and you should be very much clear where you have reached and how much target you need to achieve to reach at level next level. So everything should be crystal clear in front of your eyes, and you will become self motivated, and you will fix your target, and you will fix your strategy and planning accordingly. This is the reason, basic reason to keep such kind of placement arrangement. Now we talk about a Marches software referral program. As I said, there are two platforms running simultaneously. Epmarche is the first IT company in the world who is doing business through very powerful technique called network marketing, where our clients and the ones who bring business to the company will get high benefits by our referral program. If you bring any business to the company, any website, any portal, any crypto exchange, any MLM website, anything, or any micro blogging website, any personal website, whatever you bring, and you name it, we make it is the slogan. So there is no condition. You can think anything under the sun, any software you want to make, or any of your friends or relatives want to make. You can come to the company, you can place an order, and you are going to get 10% out of it. If it is order is 1 lakh, you are going to get 10,000. If it all depends, because these all are customized things, and money will be quoted, bill will be quoted as per your requirement. So for front, first level you will be getting 10%. Your upline will get 5%. His upline or her upline will get 3%, and next person will get 2%. So total it is 20%. If these four IDs belong to you, means you are going to get 20%. But there is one more benefit. If you are already client of a Marche in the program of this $8 or 500 rupees, you are going to get 15% directly. Means 15% directly you are going to get. 5% extra you are getting. So this is how it will work. We have fixed up some rewards awards in this. So if you if you complete business of 10 lakh, means 1 million INR, you are going to get 10 gram 24 karat premium gold. And every 10 lakh business, you are getting 10-gram gold. So, like you have completed 1 crore download or 1 crore clients, you are, I mean, 1 crore rupees, 1 crore rupees business, you are, or 13, 1 crore means 10 lakh means 13,270. And 1 crore, you add one more zero. Up to that time, you have earned 100-gram gold. But as soon as you complete this level, and again, after that, it will be increased at every 13,270 or 10 lakh rupees. It will be increased to 20 gram. So this is the only reward we are offering in software program. These are all payment gateways I have already discussed. Here, decentralized instant withdrawal. If you are taking in your bank account for Indian clients, if you are not from India, if you are withdrawing in Perfect Money, Bitcoin, you are getting your withdrawal within 24 hours. And here you can make a coupon, EP. If you have $8 in your account or 500 rupees, you can create e-pin and give it to a teammate. They can create their account. And if you want to purchase e-pins, or coupon from the company directly, you can pay through these mode of payment and purchase, and then you can open your teammates account. So this is very simple, flawless system. There is no hidden thing. Only 10% deduction while you are withdrawing. This is the thing which you will come to. And you can use even your 10 rupees. If you have 10 rupees in the system, there is facility of intra transfer. So you can do intra transfer as well. So here is the website. You can click on the website. You can go through all the details. This is contest running. You can see the details. Beautiful contest, and duration is from 7th May to 7th September. Now you have 4 months in front of you if you want to participate in this contest. This is foreign trip contest, and now you can see each and everything in the website. You want to contact us, you can contact through this form. Here we have two PDF, one Apache software referral program, Apache technology referral program, right? So just go in details. If you have any question, you can ask me. You can send support ticket as well. Within 24 hours, you will get the answer. So I think I have explained everything. I'll come again with another video. Till then, I'm signing out. Take care. Bye bye.